How to appeal to the Migration Court. If you've received a decision from the Swedish Migration Agency that you believe is wrong, you may appeal it to the Migration Court. We will then make a new assessment. The process works as follows. Begin by reading the decision you received from the Swedish Migration Agency. You'll find information there about what to do and what you need to write. If you have a representative, he or she can help you translate and explain the decision and write the appeal. When you've completed your appeal, send or submit it to the Swedish Migration Agency. They will send all necessary information to us at the Migration Court. When the Migration Court receives your appeal, it will be officially entered as a case. As of now, you are the appellant and the Swedish Migration Agency is the opposing party. The Migration Court will see to it that the case is sufficiently examined to make a decision. We may sometimes require more information from you or from the Swedish Migration Agency. If so, we will contact you. If you'd like to explain something further that may be good for us to know, you may send this information to us. If the Swedish Migration Agency submits new information, you may read and comment on it. The court may decide that you and the Swedish Migration Agency must come in to answer questions. In such a case, you'll be called in for an oral hearing in court. You may also request an oral hearing. For example, if you cannot read or write and would prefer to speak with us in court. If you do not speak or understand Swedish, an interpreter can help you during the oral hearing. Notify the court as soon as possible if you need an interpreter. The oral hearing is a complement to the written investigation of your case. Once the case has been sufficiently examined, the judges at the Migration Court will decide on your case. There are often 4 individuals deciding the case, 1 legally trained judge and 3 lay judges. But in some cases, a judge makes the decision alone. The court decision is based on how the law should be applied and how previous cases have been decided. When the judge and lay judges have decided on your case, the verdict will be sent to you. If they decide the Swedish Migration Agency's decision was correct, it will remain in effect. However, if the Swedish Migration Agency's decision was incorrect, it will no longer be in effect. In that case, the Migration Court may change the decision or return the case to the Swedish Migration Agency. The Swedish Migration Agency will then make a new decision. If you are not satisfied with the verdict of the Migration Court, you can usually appeal it to the Migration Court of Appeal. The verdict will note how much time you have to appeal. Having a decision tried by an impartial court is a fundamental right in Sweden.